Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am your host Rahul. So in last video, I posted Springboard, Django, and Mon hands-on questions, which is having both skeleton plus result codes. So in this one, I am sharing the mean stack, which is one among the T1 track for Wings one. So in this, mostly it will be a full stack application where most of the test case will cover from the Angular and Node.js, not that much. So that's a thing we also did in the current uh, mean stack application that we prepared. So like before, we will share Skelton and the result codes. So I will share the link in the description. You can fetch it from there. I will just show you. This is the question mean library book lending application. So everything is given. I didn't add any screenshots, so I just mentioned. Um, so in Angular, we have 15 test cases, and in Node.js, we have 3 test cases. Okay, so these are the things regarding Angular. Also, as per the discussions with the previous candidates who appeared and who cleared digital, they mentioned it will be a Springboard app. Sorry, it will be a full stack application uh, with respect to almost similar to the prerequisite. So you can expect the same type of same pattern or um, some other modification like additional validation like that might be added in the test case like that you may get. So you can see. So this is the solution one. This is the question. I'll just show you where all you have to write the code in API service, in app component. These places you have to write the code in Angular. In node case, you have to fill it in the router book.js only. Models and default everything is will be given for who are appearing for digital, and we provide. You can go through the test cases also, that also it's available. So that's these are the things regarding Angular, sorry, mean stack, which is the one among the T1. So if you have any doubt or any query, just ping me. I will give my social media links in the description. You can see it there. Also source code description will be there. That's it. See you in next video. Till that, happy coding.